minutes.
Breaking news at 5, a federal judge rules gaming machines at Missouri gas stations are illegal. Now, that ruling targets machines made by Wildwood-based Torch Electronics, which had argued their devices were games of skill rather than slot machines. That federal judge's ruling states the machines are gambling devices and therefore illegal in the state. Legal experts say the decision creates opportunities for broader criminal prosecution.